revolutionize the world. Not my husband.
Watch yourself, baby.
This file was presented to me this morning.
That I should remind you, I don't do extensions.
Today, I announce the end of my partnership with my wife and business partner, Ari Jones.